Looking to stay ahead of the tech curve? In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 trending electronics and gadgets on Amazon that are making waves right now. From smart safety features to next-general gaming, these must-have devices are changing the game for daily convenience and entertainment. So, let's dive in and check out what's hot on Amazon right now. Experience sound redefined with the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation, now upgraded with USB-C and powered by the advanced H2 chip for next-level audio performance, smarter noise cancellation, and all-day comfort. These aren't just earbuds. They're intelligent sound hubs engineered for immersive listening with personalized spatial audio that dynamically tunes sound to your ear shape, delivering a tailored, surround-style experience for music, movies, and games. Active noise cancellation blocks out ambient chaos, while adaptive transparency lets you stay aware without losing clarity. Touch controls built into the stems give you seamless control over volume, calls, and playback with a simple swipe or squeeze. The newly designed case supports USB-C charging, MagSafe, and even precision finding via the Find My app, making lost earbuds a thing of the past. With up to 6 hours of listening on a single charge and up to 30 hours with the case, your soundtrack goes wherever you do. Whether you're deep into a podcast, on a work call, or zoning out to your playlist, the AirPods Pro deliver pure Apple magic in every detail. Tap the link below to elevate your audio setup. Meet the bose Bluetooth headphones, designed for pure sound and total freedom, whether you're hitting the gym, commuting, or just vibing out. With advanced Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, these earbuds deliver a stable, low-latency connection and seamless pairing with your favorite devices. The ergonomic fit with flexible ear hooks ensures they stay put during intense workouts or long listening sessions, and at just a few grams each, they're incredibly lightweight and comfortable. Powered by hi-fi stereo drivers and deep bass tuning, the sound is crisp, immersive, and dynamic, perfect for music, calls, or podcasts. Built-in noise-canceling microphones reduce background distractions, so your voice comes through clearly every time. And don't worry about the weather. With IP7 waterproofing, they're built to handle sweat and rain without missing a beat. Plus, the charging case offers up to 40 hours of total playtime, with USB-C fast charging so you're never out of juice for long. Whether you're running errands or running marathons, the bose Bluetooth headphones bring quality sound and serious endurance to every moment. Grab yours now via the link below, and be sure to subscribe for more quick tech reviews that help you buy smarter. Elevate your audio experience with the Jademan wireless Bluetooth speaker, a versatile 2-in-1 gadget that combines a phone stand and a powerful speaker. With a maximum output of 3 watts and HD surround sound, this speaker enhances your music and calls, making it perfect for both home and outdoor use. Its adjustable, foldable design allows for multiple viewing angles, ensuring you can enjoy videos and FaceTime hands-free. Compatible with most smartphones and tablets, the anti-slip base provides stability and protection for your devices. Ideal as a thoughtful gift for any occasion, the Jademan speaker is a must-have for anyone who values convenience and quality sound. Looking for a smart dash cam that captures every detail, front and back? Meet the Red Tiger 4K Dual Dash Cam, a compact powerhouse that's built to protect your drive, day or night. You get a 4K front camera, a 1080p rear cam, mounting hardware, power cables, and a detailed user manual. Setup, super easy, just plug, mount, and go. The front camera records in ultra-clear 4K UHD, capturing crisp license plates and road signs, even in low light, thanks to night vision and WDR technology. The rear cam covers your 6 with full HD clarity. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS let you review footage, track routes, and download clips straight from your phone using the Red Tiger app, no SD card removal needed. It also features loop recording, impact detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring, giving you non-stop protection, even when you're away from your car. For under-the-hood safety with over-the-top features, the REDTIGER dash cam is hard to beat. Check it out in the link below. Step back into pure, reliable audio with the Sony MDR-ZX110 stereo headphones, a timeless choice for those who value crisp sound, comfort, and simplicity in one sleek package. Equipped with 30mm dynamic drivers, these headphones deliver balanced, powerful audio with rich bass and clear highs, perfect for music, movies, and everyday listening. The lightweight, over-ear design with swivel ear cups makes them easy to fold and carry, ideal for on-the-go use or compact storage. The adjustable headband and cushioned earpads ensure a snug, comfortable fit even during extended listening sessions. With a durable wired connection and tangle-free cable, you get consistent, lag-free audio without the need to recharge, just plug in and play. Whether you're dialing into virtual meetings or zoning out with your favorite playlist, the MDR-ZX110 keeps the experience seamless and stress-free. Hit the link in the description to grab yours. That's a wrap on our top 5 trending gadgets. Check out the links in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.